Mopresidente Ramaphosa o re Afrika Borwa e na le bokgoni ba ho ntlafatsa moruo wa yona makaleng a merafo tsa temo le dihlahisweng. Ramaphosa o tobokiditse bohlokwa ba hore makala a private le a mmuso a sebetse mmoho ho fihlella sena.
Private sector will be essential to the success of this effort. In addition to domestic government spending and regional financial commitments, the public and private sector will need to invest in such initiatives.
Mopresidente o re naha e lokela ho tsepamisa maikutlo ho theweng ha mesebetsi karolong ya digital. Empa ditsebi di re ho se ke a tadingwa fela lekala lena ho shejwe le a mang.
We need to get the infrastructure going. I mean, we all talk about spectrum, connectivity, cost of data. All those things are very, very important to put into place. We need to make sure that the legislative framework actually facilitates our participation in this new economy.
Di-union le mekga ya dipolotiki di tshwaetse lengolong la beke le beke la Mopresidente.
For us, as a positive thing, we should be looking at how can we embrace it and accelerate it. And that speaks to making sure that our electricity supply is available, that our digital connections are affordable and cheap. They're far too expensive right now. It speaks to training young people at schools for works in the digital sectors.
The only way that we are going to get our economy growing, first and foremost, is through a proper vaccine rollout. And until that we have a proper vaccine rollout, we can't expect any strong economic recovery.
Economic plan of President Cyril Ramaphosa is a total failure. More and more people are losing their jobs every day. Millions of people are sitting at home. Poverty is the order of the day.
The reality and the sad reality in South Africa is that 7.2 million people are currently unemployed. Whereas the majority of those people are young people who are aged between 15 and 34. Therefore, we don't know where the president is getting this impression that all is well.
Mopresidente o boletse hore ho na le meralo e lokelang ho sala morao ho hlabolla moruo haholo ka morasiwa sa COVID-19.